Welcome to this month's edition of our monthly market update. This report that I'm going to cover is for Denver metro area and specifically our 11 counties that comprise Denver metro. So we are looking at April 2021 and some of these things will not surprise you and some of these things might really surprise you. So we are going to be talking about the average sale price. So the average sale price in Denver metro, would you believe it's up to $675,000 over last year this time? So these numbers are for the end of the first quarter of 2021, and of course we're comparing them to the end of the first quarter of 2020. That is before the pandemic really took hold, and but that's a 19.3% increase in the average sale price. Strangely enough, or maybe not, right in line with that, the condos have actually gone up too, and they're 8.17% higher than they were last year in the same time frame. The interesting thing about the condos is they made a historic jump to over $400,000. So the average condo in Denver metro is costing over $400,000. Some other notable things are we actually have 1,921 active listings in those 11 counties, and those active listings are the new listings that are coming on the market every month right now are in line with where they were last year. And so when people say that we have a supply shortage, actually, with the new inventory that's coming on every month, we actually have a buyer demand surplus, and that is the real phenomenon that's happening in our real estate market. So you'll notice here that the average days on market are down to 15 days. That's a 48% decrease over last year this time. And let's go ahead and take a look at the luxury market and see what those numbers look like. So the luxury market, our average days on market is actually down to 50 days, and that represents a 15.25% on average decrease in the days on market. Our new listings are up 10%, and this is over last year this time. So we're seeing more luxury home buyers putting their houses on the market than previously, and they're selling. The next thing here is the average sale price, and I think this is the one that's not quite as sexy as the lower priced homes, where they're 19.3. The average sale price is 3.2% higher year over year in what we consider the luxury home market, and that is over $800,000. The sky's the limit on that one. So with this information, I hope it gives you some additional insight to what's going on. But again, right now, we are seeing lots of people that have figured out a way to put their houses on the market. And then it's very common for the seller to require a 30 or a 60-day rent back after the closing to secure their next residence. The other cool thing is that those sellers are paying that benefit forward to the next sellers because they don't have a place to move to just yet either, and allowing the places that they're moving into to have a 30 or 60-day rent back as well. So as long as this continues, we'll continue to keep our listings moving. The biggest reason why listings that come on the market, why there's less listings, is because sellers kind of get fearful of where they're going to move. So one of the things that we're doing here at the Joan Pratt Group is we do have 2 fully furnished rentals that are going to be online here pretty quick. And in fact, 2 of our clients have already utilized them so far. We're just doing some renovations on those. So we have some temporary solutions for people to move into. You could pack up your stuff, put it into storage, and then on a month-to-month basis, rent one of these 2 units to help get you through until you get to move into your new home. So if you have questions about our real estate market, I would love to be your resource. Please feel free to reach out to me and schedule your appointment. We are still doing Zoom and in person as well. Thank you again for watching, and make it a great day.